Welcome, here I've got Honor 7X and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by sliding simply to left to get access to more modes of this camera, and now we have to find and pick slow motion. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on the big shutter button at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. Now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play our video by tapping on the center. And as you can see, this is how slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.